Imagine waking up one morning, and every living creature is conscious. Picture a world where even the tiniest bacterium possesses human-level awareness. This radical shift would trigger immediate chaos and countless ethical dilemmas. Today, we dive deep into this thought experiment. When every species gains sentience, our societal structures face collapse. We rely on animals and plants for food, labor, and companionship. What would it mean for our dinner plate if cows, pigs, and chickens could communicate? The idea of food would undergo a significant transformation. In this new reality, interspecies conflict would flourish. Different species would fight for dominance over resources. Imagine a world where the largest whale argues with the smallest ant about territory rights. Relationships between humans and animals would need redefinition, reshaping how we interact daily. Let's break it down step by step. First, consider the immediate panic. People would struggle to adapt. Markets would crumble, as industries based on animal exploitation dissolve overnight. Those who farm or fish for a living face dire consequences. Second, ethical dilemmas arise. If cows can express pain, how do we justify eating them? Our moral landscape would change rapidly. Compassion becomes crucial, leading to potential dietary shifts across humanity. Third, think about communication. Species must find a way to talk. Would humans and animals negotiate rights? Dialogue would open doors to understanding across countless species. Now let's visualize an example. Imagine a farmer trying to negotiate with his sentient cows. Would he consult them about their living conditions? This fundamental shift sparks endless adventures in coexistence. Throughout this scenario, remember the powerful implications. Our world would rebalance, focusing on empathy and cooperation. The immediate chaos might lead to long-term harmony, as all beings find their place. In summary, if every species became sentient, society would face profound changes. Food, relationships, and ethical responsibilities would evolve in unprecedented ways. This thought experiment pushes us to reconsider our connections with all living beings. So, what do you think? How would you adapt in a world where every creature has a voice? Share your thoughts in the comments below and subscribe for more thought-provoking explorations.